That doesn't mean you cannot use dark rum. You can also use dark rum, but white rum is more used. That doesn't mean dark rum is never used. So we are here using dark rum instead of white rum. Add some ice into a tall glass. I am using a pilsner here. You can use any tall glass. If you don't have, you can simply use highball or Tom Collins or any tumbler. For 20 ml to 30 ml, depending how much sour you need, we need to add lime juice. 20 to 30 as per you need. I am using about 20 ml. About 60 ml of dark rum. Add some lime slices into it. Top it with Coke, any Coke, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Thumbs Up, whatever. Garnish with lemon wedges, slice, whatever, however. Cuba libre. Now we are going to prepare smash. We need an old-fashioned glass. Ice cubes. $60 ml of whiskey. $60 ml of rum. Of brandy. You can add port wine also. You can add port wine also. If you don't have port wine, you can add any white wine, red wine. If you don't want to add wine, you can skip it also. 60 ml of gin again. 30 ml of white wine. Then squeeze half a lime. This is probably one of the most strongest cocktails after P52. This is the last presentation of today's session. We are going to Flambe. This is a fountain. There are a lot of varieties of fountains. Champagne fountains are there, whiskey fountains are there, cocktail fountains are there. This is Flambe fountain.
My name is Udit Kumar Behra. I'm the master degree student. I'm very glad to be a part of this session. And before this session, I don't know the name of the mocktail and cocktails. In this practical, I'm getting to know the cocktails name.
My name is Avinash and I'm from xchm डिपार्टमेंट। तो आज हमारे प्रैक्टिकल क्लास में जो कुछ भी हमें सिखाया गया ये सब हमारे लिए सब कुछ एक न्यूली एक्सपीरियंस था। तो सर जैसे भी हमें इन डिटेल बताए वो बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के। फिर काफ़ी लोगों ने उससे टेस्ट भी किया।
आज प्रैक्टिकल डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉकटेल ऊपर थिला। तो मु आगु भी जानी नथिली कॉकटेल कौन बा डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्ट भी कर नथिली, अल्कोहल भी टेस्ट कर नथिली। आज सार टेस्ट करिया देले तो भल लागिला। आज सेशनटा भी बहुत भल थिला।